Hello, friends. I'm back with more exciting and amazing ideas about Easter. Easter is a wonderful time for here for all of us, as you know, full of renewal, hope, and joy. It's the time when families and loved ones come together to celebrate the holiday and the spring season. One of the most exciting parts of Easter for many people, especially children, is the Easter basket. An Easter basket is a traditional gift that is filled with goodies and treats for the holiday. There are many different ideas for what to include in an Easter basket, and the content can vary depending on the recipient's age and interests. So, I'm gonna give you few examples of Easter basket goodies. That is, number one, candy. Candy is a synonym with candy, and there are many different types of candy that can be included in an Easter basket, from chocolate bunnies to jelly beans. There is something for everyone's sweet tooth. Number two, toys and games. Small toys and games can be a fun addition to an Easter basket. Think puzzles, coloring books, stickers, small plush animals, and board games. Number three is outdoor activities. Spring is a great time to get outside and enjoy the warm weather. Consider including items such as bubbles, sidewalk chalk, jump ropes, and frisbee is an Easter basket. Number four, books. Reading is always a good idea, and there are plenty of Easter themed children books to choose from. Consider adding a favorite book to a Easter basket to encourage reading and education. Number five, gift cards. For older children or adults, a gift card to their favorite store or restaurant can be a great addition to the Easter basket. Number six, personalized items. Personalized items such as monogrammed keychains, mugs, and t shirts can add a special touch to an Easter basket. In conclusion, an Easter basket is a wonderful way to show your love and appreciation for the people in your life. With so many different ideas and options for filling a Easter basket, you can customize it to fit anyone's personality and interest. Whether it's filled with candy, toys, books, or personalized items, an Easter basket is sure to bring joy and happiness to its recipients. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas in it and you will apply it in your Easter event. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel and hit the like